Hey everyone, Online Moneymaker here. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most exciting and accessible ways to build an online income stream. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your online journey, affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products and services you believe in. Imagine waking up to commission notifications, knowing you've earned money while you sleep. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer support. Instead, you focus on connecting great products with the right audience. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing, uncovering the secrets to earning $500 or more per day. I'll share practical strategies, insider tips, and personal anecdotes from my own journey to help you navigate the path to success. Get ready to unlock the power of affiliate marketing and transform your financial future. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. You act as an intermediary, connecting potential customers with the products they need, and you get rewarded for every successful sale or action you generate. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The company gets more exposure and sales, the customer discovers valuable products, and you earn a commission for facilitating the connection. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its flexibility and scalability. You can work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, and choose from a vast array of products and niches that align with your interests and expertise. Whether you're passionate about technology, fashion, travel, or personal development, there's an affiliate program out there waiting for you. With the right strategies and consistent effort, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business that generates a substantial income stream. Let's explore the steps to get you started on this exciting journey. Before diving into the world of affiliate marketing, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation for your business. This involves 3 key steps. 1. Choosing your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. Focusing on a specific niche allows you to become an authority in that area and attract a dedicated audience. 2. Building a website or platform. Create a website, blog, or social media platform where you can share valuable content, promote affiliate products, and build a community around your niche. 3. Email marketing. Start building an email list from day one. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing relationships with your audience, promoting affiliate offers, and driving long-term revenue. These foundational elements will serve as the pillars of your affiliate marketing business, providing a stable platform for growth and success. Choosing the right niche is paramount to your affiliate marketing success. It's essential to select a niche that you're genuinely passionate about, as this will fuel your motivation and make the journey more enjoyable. Consider your existing knowledge, skills, and interests. What topics do you enjoy learning about and sharing with others? What problems can you help people solve? Brainstorm a list of potential niches that resonate with you. Once you have a list, research each niche thoroughly. Analyze the competition, assess the audience size and engagement, and evaluate the profitability potential. Look for niches with a healthy balance of demand, competition, and earning potential. Remember, your niche should be something you're excited to explore, learn about, and share with your audience. Choosing a niche you're passionate about will make the journey more rewarding and sustainable in the long run. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find profitable affiliate programs that align with your audience and offer high-quality products or services. There are numerous affiliate networks and individual companies that offer affiliate programs. Start by exploring popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. These networks provide access to a wide range of products and services across various niches. Research individual companies within your niche that offer affiliate programs. Look for companies with a strong reputation, high-quality products, and generous commission structures. Consider factors like commission rates, cookie duration, payment terms, and the level of support provided by the affiliate program. Don't be afraid to join multiple affiliate programs to diversify your income streams and offer your audience a wider selection of products and services. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. Creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content is crucial for attracting your target audience, building trust, and driving conversions. Focus on providing value to your audience through blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, or other content formats that resonate with your niche. Address their pain points, answer their questions, and offer solutions through the products or services you promote. Incorporate storytelling, personal anecdotes, and case studies to make your content more relatable and engaging. Use clear and concise language, optimize your content for search engines, and promote it across various online channels. Remember, your content should aim to educate, entertain, and inspire your audience while subtly promoting your affiliate offers. Creating great content is only half the battle. You need to drive targeted traffic to your content to reach your audience and generate affiliate sales. There are numerous strategies for driving traffic, and it's essential to implement a multifaceted approach. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for attracting organic traffic from search engines. Optimize your website and content for relevant keywords, build high-quality backlinks, and focus on providing valuable content that ranks well in search results. Social media marketing is another powerful tool for reaching your target audience. Create engaging social media profiles, share your content regularly, interact with your followers, and run targeted advertising campaigns to expand your reach. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads or social media ads, can provide a quick boost in traffic and generate immediate results. However, it's essential to carefully manage your ad spend and track your return on investment. Driving traffic to your content is just the first step. The next crucial step is converting those visitors into paying customers. This involves building trust, establishing credibility, and effectively promoting your affiliate offers. Build a strong relationship with your audience by providing valuable content, engaging with them on social media, and responding to their questions and concerns. Establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche, and people will be more likely to follow your recommendations. When promoting affiliate products, focus on the benefits they offer your audience. Highlight how the products can solve their problems, improve their lives, or fulfill their aspirations. Use persuasive language, compelling visuals, and strong calls to action to encourage conversions. Track your conversion rates and analyze your data to identify areas for improvement. Experiment with different promotional strategies, calls to action, and content formats to optimize your conversion funnel. Once you've established a solid foundation and started generating consistent affiliate income, it's time to scale your business and maximize your earnings. This involves expanding your reach, diversifying your income streams, and automating your processes. Explore new traffic generation strategies, such as guest blogging, podcast interviews, or joint venture partnerships. Expand your content creation efforts by outsourcing tasks or hiring writers to increase your output. Diversify your income streams by promoting a wider range of affiliate products and services. Explore new niches, join additional affiliate programs, and offer a variety of products that cater to your audience's needs. Automate your business processes as much as possible. Use email marketing automation tools, social media scheduling platforms, and other software solutions to streamline your workflow and free up your time. Congratulations! You've now embarked on an exciting journey into the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires consistent effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and never stop seeking knowledge and improvement. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow affiliate marketers. Learn from experienced mentors, and stay up to date with the latest industry trends. With the right strategies, a commitment to excellence, and a passion for your niche, you can achieve your affiliate marketing goals and build a thriving online business. Now go out there, create amazing content, connect with your audience, and start earning those commissions. Don't forget to subscribe to this for more interesting facts.